Hey friends, good morning. Welcome to Totally Dazzled. I'm Jennifer with Home Sweet Create. Good morning. Hello everybody. We're gonna be just elevating this sweet picture of Santa. I've had this for a couple years. Compliments of Hobby Lobby. We're just going to elevate it a little bit using our stencil kit as well as some of our new Christmas bling. Let me show you. Let me just go ahead and grab some of the pieces. Look at this sweet Santa. We're going to be using Santa and the wreath. You have the precious little ribbon Christmas tree and Rudolph. Cheers. Okay, so I grabbed the block font set in our stencils. We're going to be using the H because we're going to take a couple of our pieces. Of course, I have 2 packs, so I'm going to be using 2 of the wreaths as well as one of the Santas, and we're going to do ho 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 on our project. We'll probably be diamond dusting them and adding some greenery to his hat. But these hats, you know, they're perforated. So the stencils themselves tear very easily when you are using the transfer paper. Be very careful. It's very thin paper. So this is what you got. And these are designed to use the SS10 stones. And so I did grab out my stones. I'm going to go with the ruby. So, oh, it's so cute. So that's going to be our O's. We're going to use, I'm just trying to figure out how I want to do it. Ho, ho, ho. Maybe something like that. Going to take our little, we're just going to grab a pen, any pen, pencil, whatever you have, something that'll mark. Hopefully this will mark. And we're just going to come in and just make little tiny dots. Okay, just like that. Okay, so now we can kind of gauge it here. We're gonna do it wonky. So I'm gonna go ahead and mark out each one. Okay, this works. We're gonna do it in the red stones. Alright, so I'm just gonna pour my little red stones right into our trays that come with your rhinestone applicator kit. These are the ruby. So I'm just gonna come in and dot. When you're doing this, you need to keep a little paper towel handy for your glue. Okay, the red was a good idea. So cute, so cute. Okay, so we've got our H's on there. Now we'll just make sure we give it a chance to set up good. Because you know when we go to tap that diamond dust back off, I don't want to lose our bling here. Okay, so I'm going to B7000, then on the center, some hot glue. Just to make sure your adhesive is where that way. Oh, that's pretty cute. So y'all, we're going to diamond dust him, and then I love these picks. I got these at Hobby Lobby many years ago, and I fill up a vase with them. Also, one of my bathrooms is like vintage Christmas, but I grabbed one because I was like, ooh, I like the leaves, I like the bells. We're going to pick this apart because you can do that, because we can use this for several projects, and that's what I'm going to put up there on the top of his head. I'm just going to come straight in here. And this is like the Santa itself. Ooh, I am not digging this brush. Okay, much better. Okay, so obviously this canvas-like fabric, you know, anytime you're dealing with a kind of fabric when you put glue on there, it's gonna soak up. It's gonna soak it up. And then we're going to use some diamond dust. We're going to come in here on his little mustache and beard and just, you know, work around. Now, in a perfect world, it would have been easier to do this before we applied this. However, when you have the diamond dust, you can't glue stuff over the top of it. Okay, he's sparkly, sparkly. I'm gonna have to find something to dump this in. Okay, let me dump it. Hold on. Look. Look at him. And there is our ho ho ho. You see the little spot down there that I went over on accident? Let's take our little thing apart here. Can y'all see that? Whoops. I like that. I'm going to use some B7000. I'm not going all the way down because I want to be able to bend this around. I'm going to be careful. See, is that not darling? So just by taking just a picture that was already precious on its own, but we added with the stencil kit and the font, the block font, the H's. I can't hold it up close. There we go. Maybe we can. With the ruby stones, and then we used pieces from the Christmas pack. Ho, ho, ho. Merry Christmas. I told y'all I believe in Santa. So I hope you all have an amazing and blessed day, and I'll see you all very soon. Bye-bye, sisters.
Totally Dazzled sells sparkling rhinestone wedding supplies. Check us out at totallydazzled.com. But before you do, click up here and download our free Printable Sparkle Quotes. Or click down here and watch one of our other awesome tutorials.